imagine the future. It's 2025. Pakistan will have a population of almost 270 million. Daily headlines will feature water and food crisis with shrinking manufacturing base. And you as a fresh graduate, will face one of the toughest competition in job market. At USA, our focus is on future. We are combining computer education with several other professions, preparing a generation of leaders who will be able to work from Pakistan in global markets.
Our CS specializations are targeting health sciences with huge emphasis on automation, machine learning, big data, networking, artificial intelligence, robotics, biocomputing, and online trading.
Our business specializations, they're focusing on designing new products, getting them manufactured locally and from international sources while selling them in global markets.
So, if you want to secure a future in high-tech business environment, enroll in BScs or BBA of USA and embark on a journey to a great future.
University of South Asia. For more details, www.usa.edu.pk